Good afternoon, guys. Here you can see I am filling all the imperfections on this model. Here I had to put some putty on the leading edge on the wingtip of this model because there was a sinkhole there. Actual aircraft has a leading edge, nav lights there, so this needs to be filled. I did the same thing on the other side, as you can see right there. And then on the bottom of the wings, I noticed there were two tabs, mold release tabs, which were very visible, so I had to fill those too. And I did that with a Tamiya putty. And then on the leading edge of these horizontal stabilizers, there was a mold line, like right there, right the whole length of the uh, of the leading edge. So I had to lightly sand it with a fine sanding stick. You can see that you don't see any of those mold lines anymore. I'll do it a little bit an angle, and this is the way it's supposed to be. So for the new modelers, it's important to work on their basics because aircraft does not have raised panel lines. They always have recessed panel lines because sections and parts are put together, and when you put the parts together, either they are lap joints or butt joints, but those joints create a recessed panel line, not a raised panel line for us the modelers. So when we make scale models, we try to replicate as much as possible how the real aircraft or the real prototype is. So these are the basic things that modelers should work on who haven't perfected there. And when you are building a model, like there are two halves to the fuselage, and when you join the fuse together, right in the center you'll see a joint line. Now on the full scale aircraft, the sections are made in a cross section. They are not made lengthwise, so there is no joint line on the top and on the bottom of the fuselage. So what you need to do is, after you glue the halves together, then you have to slightly sand that area, eliminate that line, and if there's any sinkholes or if there are any gaps, you have to fill that with the putty, sand it smooth, just like as you're looking at this model here. I'm just using this as illustration purposes, but this is how it's supposed to be. And then you paint it. And what I notice is there are modelers who do amazing work, but they are lacking on their basic skills, which I try to point out to them in a very friendly manner, in a very easy manner, for them not to take any offense, because I tend to see where you try to explain something, new generation likes to take offense from it, and that's not how you learn. So the whole purpose of this hobby is to teach each other, help each other. There's no secrets. It's for everybody. And if you know something others don't, please share your knowledge with them. It's like sharing knowledge. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I hope you don't take any offense from this message and make use of it.